Of course, an employer can be asked for compassionate leave, and most good employers will provide compassionate leave, but the issue on compassionate leave is that it is invariably not paid. So compassionate leave is given for various reasons, and most companies will have a policy on compassionate leave which will allow only for a short period of time to be paid, and that's usually a couple of days, 2 or 3 days maximum. So this again is a real problem for employees getting paid. The position in relation to force majeure leave, which has been put out by the Department of Social Protection, is a little bit questionable. That it only applies where the immediate attendance of a parent with a child is necessary. Now, that is taken to be a very restrictive test, and if a child has to stay at home because of Covid-19, I don't see that that comes within the force majeure leave, because their immediate attention is not required. That was intended to cover a situation of really an accident or a very serious illness, so a protective issue will not apply. If the parent then applies for additional holidays, unpaid holidays or unpaid leave, even on parental leave, there's a time limit that you have to apply, so the employer would have to agree to that. And the difficulty on taking holidays is that that then eats into the employee's rights to holidays later on in the year. So this is a real problem for people to actually get paid.